Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, March 27th, and it'll be a rainy day, especially in the morning. I think we'll begin to see it lessen up from northwest to southeast by tonight. Most of the precipitation across the western portions of the area should be done sometime this afternoon, but not before potentially as much as 7/10 to 95 hundredths of an inch could fall. And that's what we're shooting for the network station average. And then we're looking at a system for Friday night into Saturday that could bring some more showers, maybe some wet snowflakes to the area. We'll keep an eye on that system just to make sure we don't get anything more significant, but that certainly is an outside possibility. Yesterday we had a high of 53, a low of 25. No precipitation before midnight, but since then 2/10 of an inch. That was as of 5 o'clock this morning. Our normal high is 48. Now our normal low is 27 degrees. And if we look at conditions around the area this morning, temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees warmer yesterday, in the mid-20s to around 30. This morning, quite a bit warmer out. We did get the transmitter replaced at Newaygo, and I think it'll be okay. I think the battery just didn't have enough juice. It did turn on to the battery backup during the overnight hours, but looks like it quit in the middle of the night, and I think that's just because it ran out of juice. So hopefully we get some sunshine, charge up that battery. Hopefully we'll be in good shape on that station. And tomorrow or Thursday I'll be out in Lakeview, and we'll get that station up and running as well. If we look at the rainfall, this is as of 5 o'clock. You can see some of the areas leading the way. And Clarksville, just under 3/10 of an inch, around 1/4 inch at Lansing and at Middleton leading the way. And if we look at the satellite view this morning, you can see a tremendous amount of thunderstorm activity training over the same areas across Texas and Oklahoma. Lots of severe weather and flooding off in this area. And again, that moisture streaming north into the northeast into the Great Lakes, giving us our showers today. But you can see a high pressure system tries to move in from the west during the last few frames, and that'll eventually bring the clearing line in here at some point very late tonight into tomorrow morning. We may start off with a few clouds in the morning, but we'll see that sunshine become more commonplace tomorrow, along with warmer temperatures. And you can see this morning a lot of the showers moving up into the area, and again the back edge of that across eastern Wisconsin now. And again, far western areas may see just some clouds, maybe a peak of sunshine towards evening, but for the most part it'll be a pretty rainy morning into much of the afternoon across the Great Lakes area. As far as the GFS over the next 10 days, the big thing is not necessarily any one place keying in on snowfall amounts. What it really tells us is that if it's showing this much snow, even if we don't get no snow, it's certainly telling us we're in for a cold ride here over the next 10 days. We're going to be mild this week, but once we get into the weekend and the next week, we're going to again be well below normal with above normal precipitation. And again, this certainly is a possibility, but I wouldn't key on any of these kind of numbers this far out. But the bottom line is the cold weather is going to continue across the Great Lakes, and you can see that in the 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14 day outlooks, below normal temperatures with above normal precipitation as it looks right now. And if we look at the forecast, highs today in the low 50s, sunshine tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the peak day. We may get some fog in the morning, so be careful out there tomorrow morning with all the rain we've had and clearing skies during the morning. Like I say, there could be some areas of thick fog, but we'll warm up into the upper 50s in many spots, I think, tomorrow. So a really nice day. And then we'll have another system coming in later on Thursday night that could bring a few showers. Again, those will be quite scattered, still mild 54, and then temperatures dropping down into the 40s. And again, we'll watch that system for Friday night and Saturday, as there could be a few wet snowflakes mixed in as well. As far as weather watch, winter weather advisories off to our southeast. We got area flood watches off to our south. And again, nothing significant for the Great Lakes here for the foreseeable future as far as severe weather activity. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.